Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about some basic concepts about the Google Sketchup. So Google Sketchup is a 3D modeling software. It is developed by the Trimble company in the year 2000. So it is a 3D modeling computer programming software. It is used for wide range for drawing applications, such as we can use architectural and interior design and landscape architecture. Civil and mechanical engineers can use the Google SketchUp software. It is a simple software. By using this software, we can create the models of the building like door, windows, exterior designs, interior like sofa designs, chair designs, some wardrobe designs. Like these types of structures can be created by using the Google SketchUp software. Some of the advantages is it is a simple interference, like it is a 3D modeling Google based software, so it is a simple and easy to draw. Like tools are easy to be remembered and it is easily drawn, and tools which are easy to be remembered like is easily VREF for SketchUp, VREF for lights, VREF for objects. This is easily remembered. Okay, now it is a lightweight program for 3D program. Only for some special tools are used for creating the model. So it is a lightweight program. And also there is a import and export features. By using the import and export, we can also import some plans, AutoCAD 2D plans, etc. and also export the models. And 3D warehouse for easy components. Like by using the 3D warehouse, we can download the component. Suppose if you not possible to create a sofa, you can download the object from the 3D warehouse by using the internet connections. And it is a free. There is no paid versions. It is a free paid. So there is no amount for Google SketchUp software. It is a free version software. Suppose if you want to more plugins, you can pay, and it will give a satisfying results. This is for the some of the basic concepts about the Google SketchUp software. And job profiles is interior designs, architectural, junior interior designer. It is mainly used. So by using the VREF, it can render the object. In SketchUp, it is used in 3 types like interior design, exterior design and VREF for rendering. This is some of the basic knowledge about the Google SketchUp software. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you guys.